The world has seen the internet evolve over the years. And right now, internet speed is more important than ever before. A vast number of technological gadgets and softwares in existence today only work with internet connection, making internet speed very crucial to how efficiently they perform. In this video, we've detailed 10 technologies that you need to look into in your quest to make your internet faster. These technologies are game changers and will take your internet speed to a whole new level. Number 9. High altitude balloons. High-altitude internet-based balloons, otherwise known as internet balloons, is a technology that was designed to float internet connection balloons high up into the stratosphere, making it serve as a medium for local telecom companies to reach more customers with internet access. So instead of companies spending millions of dollars to build the physical infrastructure and internet backbone like fiber optics or cell phone towers required to provide internet connectivity, they can just do so with a network of balloons in the sky. The technology is currently being adopted by Google for its special project tagged Project Loon. Google launched the high-altitude internet balloons to spread internet connectivity around rural parts of Africa and Southeast Asia and a few other locations with little to no internet access. Project Loon continues to perfect and modify its internet beaming technology and is now increasingly providing global internet access for people residing in rural areas where internet connectivity has always been very scarce. Number 8. Solar-powered internet drones. Solar-powered internet drones is a modern technology that's still being worked on. Facebook, for instance, launched its solar-powered internet drone to beam internet through the sky. The project is called Facebook Aquila, and the technology was designed to act as transmission stations for providing internet access to remote areas around the globe. It is intended to fly at altitudes of up to 90,000 feet during the day and 60,000 feet during the night. The device would allow up to 66% of the Earth's surface area to have internet access and coverage. It is expected that the technology would provide internet access for over 4 billion users, especially in Africa and other remote areas of the world. Number 7. Wireless routers. Wireless routers are devices that can help you connect directly to a modem or cable. These routers enable the free flow of information from the internet and their transmission back onto the internet. Wireless routers come with built-in antennas that can communicate with your home's Wi-Fi network while allowing all devices that are connected to it receive fast and reliable internet access. A major advantage that you get from using a wireless router is that you get fast and uninterrupted supply of bandwidth, and there is no restriction on the number of users or devices that can be connected to it at a go. You can monitor and control the data usage of connected devices using their unique IP addresses. You can also take the device with you. It could be your place of work, a cafe, or a relaxation hub, and enjoy fast internet connection as long as you're within a network area. Number 6. MIT's 330% faster Wi-Fi, Mega MIMO. The Mega MIMO is a new Wi-Fi technology that exponentially speeds up data transfer on congested networks. This modern technology can transfer wireless data more than 3 times faster than the conventional Wi-Fi we use today. It also doubles the range of the internet signal. The technology uses multiple transmitters and receivers to transmit data simultaneously and increase the amount of data in a bandwidth. This technology is very suitable for usage in public spaces and large gatherings where data congestion might be imminent. The device helps with decongesting data traffic. The technology also helps with distributing data differently so that backup and congestion don't occur on the network. Number 5. Li-Fi. Li-Fi technology is a remarkably new type of wireless connection that uses light sources to transmit data instead of microwaves. The name is coined from its source, which is termed light fidelity instead of wireless fidelity. The technology has been proven to be a better improvement when compared to the traditional Wi-Fi connection. It is 100 times faster than the existing Wi-Fi technology, and it can reach internet speeds from 1 gigabyte per second to 10 gigabits per second. The frequency of the Wi-Fi technology is much higher than the radio waves that the conventional wireless internet uses. The technology uses light to work, so it can't pass through walls like Wi-Fi, but it can be used to target a specific user, and it can function without devices such as routers, modems, signal repeaters, wave amplifiers, or antennas. Number 4. Satellite web or satellite-based internet. Satellite-based internet is a technology that is designed to gain access to the internet by using communication satellites. These satellites are usually geostationary, which means that they are specifically positioned approximately 22,300 miles above the equator so that it remains in the same spot over the Earth. The satellite's internet is usually independent of location. This means that anybody from anywhere around the world can access it because it provides global coverage of internet data. So no matter where you are in the world, you can always access the internet with this technology. And when compared to other internet options, there are far fewer network outages in case of speed and connection. An example of the technology would be Samsung's satellite idea of using satellites that could beam up to 1 zettabyte of data in 1 month to provide users with internet services at fast speeds to which they are already accustomed. Number 3. Fiber internet plans. Fiber internet, otherwise known as fiber optic internet, is a data connection technology that is designed with a cable filled with thin glass or plastic fibers. Data is sent and travels through these fibers as beams of light pulsed in a certain pattern. The fiber optic internet speeds are more than 20 times faster than your regular cable internet, reaching internet speeds of up to 1 gigabyte per second. It would take you less than 10 seconds to download file sizes of up to 10 gigabyte. This is just how super fast the fiber optic internet plan can help make your internet connection faster and better. Also, if you love gaming, then your gaming experience is about to get a lot better. With a fiber optic plan, you can be sure of enjoying the immersive experience that comes with a game without any connectivity hiccups. Number 2. Cable internet. Cable internet is a form of high-speed connection that uses a cable television design and infrastructure to provide users with access to the internet. Also, the network that supplies your cable TV connection is the one responsible for providing you with access to the internet. What this means is that the cable internet access is usually combined with access to TV channels, and the service is usually from a local cable TV service provider. They are the ones responsible for supplying you with high-speed connections. The cable internet connection, otherwise known as a wired connection, has a major advantage over other connections when it comes to speed. When you connect your device to an Ethernet cable smart TV or game system, it allows data to be transmitted at an extremely fast rate, even far quicker than through a Wi-Fi signal carried by radio waves. Unlike the Wi-Fi connection, which is carried by radio waves, wireless signals can easily be interrupted by many external factors like physical obstructions. But when using a direct cable connection, downloading or streaming content is a lot faster. Number 1. 5G internet. The 5G internet is typically a 5th generation mobile network. It's the newest wireless standard network that has come after previous networks. The 5G network is designed to enable the fast connectivity of virtually everything connected to the internet, from machines and objects to smart devices. The technology is able to deliver high gigabyte per second data speeds, exceptionally low latency, massive network capacity, and a more inclusive and uniform experience for users. The 5G will provide a better and faster speed of data connectivity than its previous predecessors. You would be able to access and download large files, directories, and databases within seconds. If you think your 4G network is fast, then 5G is a lot much faster. Technology is expected to change how we live, as well as we make businesses more efficient. With 5G, access to information is a lot much faster than ever before. If you're looking for a technology that will make make your internet connection smooth and seamless, then getting an internet device that runs on this network will be your best bet. However, 5G internet network availability is not global yet. There are only specific locations where this technology is currently available. With these gadgets, it's bye-bye to slow internet connections and hello to fast and stable connectivity. Do let us know which of these gadgets you found the most intriguing. As always, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Want to learn about some of the coolest trends in autonomous driving? You absolutely want to check out this video right here.